Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. And now we can continue with the reset itself. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And after you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Then you can scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. In settings, scroll down and look for the option called the system. And once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down and look for the option called reset. And once you find it, tap on it. Here you can scroll down, and as you can see, we have this box we can check to delete eSIM configuration. So basically, if you have the eSIM connected to your watch, you have two options. You can keep the eSIM data and reset the watch. Basically, it will retain the eSIM configuration, so you won't do it again, reconfigure it, even though you reset the watch, but you can also remove it completely in case maybe you want to sell the watch or something like that. And then you can remove the eSIM configuration as well. So check or uncheck the box, then tap on reset watch, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.